So cloud data in general is protected in three ways on the internet. The first one is going to be authentication. We want to verify that the people who are attempting to access this data are actually the people they claim they are saying they are. Oftentimes we do that through simple authentication, usernames, passwords, and multi-factor authentication keys, something like a thumbprint, biometric authorization, a facial scan, a retina scan. You get the idea, right? We're trying to verify you are who you say you are. The next way we do that is through authorization. Oftentimes this comes down to identity and access management. We'll talk about that near the end of the webinar when we talk about Amazon. This basically just guarantees that the person who is accessing the data that they are accessing has the rights to access that data. We don't want to leave data open for absolutely anyone to access, especially if it's sensitive. And so we want to control that kind of access inside of our systems. The last way we normally protect data in the cloud is through the use of encryption. We're going to scramble data so that only people who are authorized to view it and have a key so that they can unlock that data are going to be able to actually access that content. So we'll cover really quickly, what is encryption? Encryption is simply put just modifying data so it can only be understood by an authorized party. And here's a quick kind of toy example of what that looks like. We have two people sending a message back and forth to each other. We have the man on the left, we have the woman on the right. The man on the left would like to send a secret message to the woman on the right. And so what he's going to do is create his message. He's going to say this is a secret, and then he's going to encrypt that message. So you can see in the middle, this could very well be this is a secret, but because it's now encrypted, the parties in between who may or may not be able to intercept this information cannot actually view it. Once it is received by the authorized person on the other end, we can see it's decoded and this person can actually read the message now. So again, simple view of how that works, that there's a lot more to encryption than just that, but it gives you kind of an idea of, in general, the workflow that we tend to use when we go through these kind of scenarios.
Thank you so much, everyone. Again, my name is Matt Duran, Director of Training and Research for LMG Security. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out at any time. We would love to hear from you. You can reach me at info@lmgsecurity.com, find me on LinkedIn, or follow us on Twitter. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.